Try it. God, it was good milk too.
Well, it was kind of a milkshake.
It was, and he used to put chocolate down their bellies.
And see what?
He knows better than
We
that.
got chocolate milk.
He says he kept
There's 3 houses in a neighborhood, and look at that house. It's
just one of the
Here, let me
three.
have a chip. Come on, let me have a bite of that chip.
and it's gonna tear that house up. It's not tearing it up yet. It might get bigger. Okay, it got that big after. Okay, that's just
Yeah.
that's just one story. It just has 2 pages, and at first
Oh, I see.
it was that skinny.
Then it got big.
Then it got that.
And
skinny.
what's up in here?
Those are funnel clouds.
Yeah, but what is it? There's all sorts of things up there, isn't there?
That's in Tallahassee.
That's in Tallahassee, Florida?
I don't want any cake.
No.
No. It's full.
Tallahassee's what?